Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add Happy New Year 2021 sticker in your WhatsApp. Guys, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friend for my latest videos. Click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon and click on all. Thanks. Now open your WhatsApp and open your anyone friend chat box. Click on type a message. Now click on the third option below side. Click on this. Now you can see the plus sign on upper right side. Click on this plus sign button. Now scroll down. Click on get more stickers. It will redirect you on Play Store. Click on this. Now type Happy New Year 2021. Make sure type Happy New Year 2021. You can see a lot of collection available here. I will choose this one. Click on install button. It is downloading. Now it is installing in my phone. Now you can see the app is installed on my phone. Open this app. Now you can see a lot of collection of sticker available in this app. Now you can see at the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, these sticker are add in your WhatsApp. I will choose this one. Click on add button. This one sticker collection is added in your WhatsApp. I will choose another one. I will choose this one. Click on add button. Now it is also added in my WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. Now friends, you can see finally these stickers are added in your WhatsApps. Now you can easily send with your friend. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.